Alright, so today we're going to play Animal Hospital, but with a plot twist, and that is that I can only check in anomalies, but when I have like extremely low sanity from finding out those anomalies, I can like get only patients, okay? But it's basically going to be like uh only regular person shift every like 3 to 5 shifts. It's not going to be that often. And also, if I do check in patients, I have to make sure they die. Though that's why. And in shift one does not count because like there's no anomalies and I cannot even use the shutters to reject the non-anomalies. I'm kind of sick, okay? So like ignore me constantly coughing. So right, I should have seen it coming, as I forgot that these patients always need the herbs and then the eye drops first. Yeah, hold on, bro. Alright, so I finally managed to get this guy checked in, but like still, shift one does not count because like you cannot even reject the patients, and there's no anomalies. And also, mm, getting rid of like the anomalies that are in patients does not count as well, because like what am I supposed to do? Run into a hider or deal or stare at the ceiling monster eye thingy? I forgot its name. So yeah, it's going to be a very painful shift. And now we have the shutters and the anomaly screen. Also, another thing, if like for some reason only patients are coming in and I'm starting to lose my temper, then I will let in non-anomaly. Oh hi, and hey, maybe if you guys like it, I will make a series. I will make another episode of playing Animal Hospital, but I have to only accept, but I can only accept like everyone. Let's see, are you an anomaly? I don't think you're an anomaly. And if you're not an anomaly, then get out of my hospital. I'm kind of scared, honestly, because like, what if every single anomaly comes and attacks me? And you're a regular person, so goodbye. This is basically like Animal Hospital, but like opposite. Actually, now that I think about it, I probably should have started this the moment I had a taser. Oh, it seems that you're an anomaly because not only are you hunched, which yes, it's an anomaly, but also you're twitching. Yeah, hi, welcome to our hospital. Honestly, I don't even know if I will be paid because like I'm just letting in anomalies. Like I'm not letting it in anyone that's normal. I hope I do get paid because like if not, I'm going to absolutely rage quit. Also, I'm only going to reach like shift 20 or 10. Like yeah, that's my goal. And if I achieve more than that, wait, oh my god, no, I let it a normal person. God dang it, my by what's it called? Oh yeah. Oh hi Bed Monster. You're my favorite anomaly. So here's your maple syrup. Anyways, what why does he look normal? Oh wait, right, because he was literally only twitching. So I'm going to get a lot of eye drops because I know for a fact that I know for a fact that he is 100 that we're 100% going to see like 100 rituals. And in fact, I'm going to stay here just perhaps they start a ritual. Which honestly I don't think so. And if they do, frick them. Wait, he didn't even attack me, bro. Wait, does this mean that all this time we could literally treat twitching patients and they wouldn't even kill us? Also, new rule. Uh, I am 100% not going to do this challenge until the until I get the taser because like I am so pissing my pants right now. Or well, in basic words, I am absolutely terrified. I'm going to stand here just in case. Because like I know this is like the only safe place from anomalies. I am scared, I am scared, I am scared, very scared. But this one didn't even attack me either. I mean, honestly, I should be grateful because like at least they're not going insane. And you had the hollow eyes which are very creepy. I just hope you don't bite me because like I am so going to what was it called again? Dang it, I'm really bad at words. I really word I'm really bad at English when I don't have a script. Because if you're wondering, like when I'm doing the object show, it's always just me voicing every single person. So like because it's always me, I always have a script. Just perhaps I forget something and I do it in multiple bro. I mean, this is way better than attacking me, honestly. And it would be way better if I had one of my friends with me here. Because I know a lot of people that play Animal Hospital actually. And I'm just standing here perhaps because I am terrified. Oh great, the shop is open, meaning that probably we have the taser now, probably, just probably. The fact that he only gave us like 75 bucks, especially because we only treated in like anomalies. But it's fine. Oh, hi, Matthew. Because Matthew's basically confirmed at this point to not be an anomaly. Oh, well, actually, I just thought about it, and yeah, I'm just going to wait for the taser. because like it's way better to have the tasers. Like once I'm dripped out, I'm going to turn this place into a double hospital. But for now, I'm just going to check in humans. I mean, not anomalies or animals. Yeah. Hi, are you an anomaly? I swear these guys jab like a lot. If they had to get paid for every time they jabbed, I'm pretty sure that they would uh get paid like $1 billion. I swear. They make me look like what's it called? They make me look like the quiet kid in class that hasn't spoken since 1999 or well or the year 1999 in basic words, and they're just kind of creepy sometimes. Anyways, I'm just comparing the photo because I know that there's like a ton of anomalies that most YouTubers miss. For example, the camera can have a different. Not this guy, bro. I hate Barney. Like, although he gives us a coffee machine, it's pretty much useless. Yeah, I know. Here's your coffee and leave. Eve, and also flip you for being the headband for Harlow. What? Why is this? Why doesn't he have that little box around his text? That's weird. But I'll just ignore it. It's probably just a glitch because my device is not that great actually. Come on, can we have any patience? Or actually, I should probably just shut my. Bro, you have double anomalies. Actually, you have trip. Actually, you have four anomalies. Bro, why does he have so many? Is he the king of anomalies or something? I should probably stop yapping too. It's probably insufferable to hear me yap every 3 seconds, right? Tell me in the comments if it is, of course. Like, ask me in the comments if it's extremely annoying to have me talking every 5 seconds of my life, so I can like get your suggestions and like stop yapping. Dude, you literally just came in. I swear, Barney, you are the reason I always have like 1% of sanity, along as my friends. Like my friends and Barney are literally the reason I always have zero sanity on these games. Yeah, whatever, just leave, bro. Leave. I hope you get arrested, man. Yeah, whatever. Just give me the suitcase already, and I'll steal the coffee machine, so I don't have to deal with you. And every time you come in demanding for the coffee machine, I'll just say I'll just close the shutters and lock the door, even though this door doesn't have a lock. You hear me, Barney? I am going to steal this coffee machine if I can. Only that sadly I cannot. So yeah, I am so going to steal your suitcase and your coffee machine. Yeah, I should probably stop being so annoying. I don't know if he's an anomaly or not. Oh wait, I just realized I forgot to check if their backs are hunched for literally everyone. But it's a kind of rare anomaly. And most of the time, people with hunched backs don't really do anything at all. I'm checking this just in case.